you doing? Well, I came from the city to talk to you about being a superhero. Now, being a superhero, you have to take class Superhero 101. So, yes, when I got bit by a spider, I can do amazing things, but that didn't make me a superhero. What made me a superhero is I did good things and I did good to others. So it's not about what symbol you wear on your chest, it's about what's in your heart. So, who here knows what a bully is? Yeah, they hit you, they call you names, they do all sorts of crazy stuff. Now, would you ever hit the bully? No, good answer. Now, what do we do when we get bullied? That's right, we tell the teacher. Alright, I need a volunteer from the audience. We're gonna demonstrate. The goblin's here!
Spider-Man, I know you're teaching them to be good.
Whoa. Hold on a second. Alright, we need a few volunteers from the audience, and the goblin here is gonna be our bully, and he's gonna demonstrate different scenarios in which you get bullied. And what are we gonna do? That's right, walk away, tell the teacher, and then she'll send him to, that's right, the principal's office. Give yourselves a round of applause. Now remember, if you make good decisions and do good to others, you all can be superheroes. You're a superhero. Yeah, you're a superhero. You're a superhero too. And at the end of this assembly, you will all be superheroes.